So students, let's solve the question number 12, which says that fx is equal to log of x square e to the power x. Log of x square base e to the power x, then we need to find dx of fx. So we have to derivative it. So I'm writing this fx is equal to, so just a second. Okay. So fx is equal to log x square base e to the power x, right students? So I can write it. We know that log a base b can be written as log b by log a, where the base is e, so I can write it log of e to the power x by log of x square, right students? I can write it. So I am writing this. So yeah, so from the above I can write the numerator as x log e by log of x square, right? So even I can write the denominator as, so we know that log e is 1, so I can write x by 2 log x, right? So I can write x by 2 log x. Now ddx of fx is equal to ddx of x by 2 log x. Okay, so we need to differentiate it. So we need to use the formula of u by v derivation. So it will be 2 log x into derivative of x is equal to 1 minus x into derivative of 2 log x. So it will be 2 by x by its whole square. So 2 log x is whole square, right students? So x out, I can write it 2 log x minus 2 by 2 log x is whole square, right students? So I can take 2 common from the numerator. I can write 2 into log x minus 1 by 4 log x is whole square, right students? So I can write 2. So it will be log x minus 1 by 2 log x, right students? So 2 log x is square, right students? So this is the answer. So let us see the options. Log x by 2. So you can see that the first option is log e base x minus 1 by 2 log e base x is whole square. So option A is our correct option, right? So we have solved the question number 3. Let's question number 12. Let's solve the question number 13. Okay students. Question number 13 says that we need to integrate the function integration 1 by cos x square x by 1 minus tan x is whole square dx. So let's start the solution. So I need to integrate integration 1 by cos square x by 1 minus tan x is whole square into dx, right? We need to integrate this. So for this, what I am going to do, we know that the derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. So for this, I am writing 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x dx by 1 minus tan x its whole square, right? I am putting 1 minus tan x is equal to z. Then minus sec square x dx is equal to dz, right students? So I can write this integration sec square x dx is equal to minus dz. So I am writing minus dz by z square, right? So it will be equal to integration minus z to the power minus 2 dz, right students? So I can write it minus z to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, right students? So I can write it minus of z to the power minus 1 by minus 1, so minus minus plus, so it will be 1 by z, right students? So the value of z is equal to 1 by 1 minus tan x, so there will be an integrating constant. obviously. So 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c, right? So the value of this integration is 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c, right? So let us see the options. 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c is our option B. So option B is our correct option. So we have solved this question. It was an easy question. So let's solve the question number 14. Okay, students. Students, we need to integrate the function fx is equal to minimum of x square plus k comma x plus k, where x is real and k greater than 0. Then we need to integrate fx from -1 to 1. So I am writing fx is equal to minimum of x square plus k by comma x plus k. So we need to take the minimum of this value. So we know that minimum of a comma b, I can write the minimum of a comma b is equal to 1 by 2 times of a plus b minus mod of a minus b, right students? I can write minimum of fx a comma b of this form. So I can write is 1 by 2 times of x square plus k plus x plus k, right students, minus mod of x square plus k, right students, x square plus k minus x minus k, right? So I can write this. So sorry, minus x k out. So I can write 1 by 2 times of x square plus x plus 2k minus mod of x square minus x, right students? Now we need to integrate this value. So for this, what I am going to do, so let's start the integration. -1 to 1 fx dx, right? So it will be equal to integration -1 to 1, so value of fx. So I am taking the 2 out of this integration. So it will be x square plus x plus 2k minus mod of x square minus x whole into dx, right? So I can separate this. So I can write it 1 by 2 times of integration -1 to 1 x square plus x plus 2k minus half integration -1 to 1 x square minus x mod of into dx, here again a dx. So I can integrate this. So first of all, observe this. When the value of x, so first of all, let us find the integration of this. Okay, first of all, I am finding the integration of this. So it is equal to half of, so I am not removing the half, I am going to find the integration of integration -1 to 1 x square plus x plus 2k whole into dx. So it will be x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 plus 2kx, right? So its lower limit is -1, its upper limit is 1. So it will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 2k minus 1 by 3. Again it is 1 by 2. It is again minus 2k. So 2k out. 1 by 3 1 by 3 out. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will be 1. Okay, the value of this integration is equal to 1. So if you put 1 by half of this integration, so it will be half. Now let us discuss about this function x square minus x. X square minus x. So if you take x common, it will be x minus 1. Now when -1 less than x less than 0. Okay, so the value of x is negative, and then so if you are subtracting x, so I can write x minus 1 less than x minus x, right? So it will be x minus 1 less than 0. So this quantity is again negative. Now -1 less than x less than 0. So x is negative and x minus 1 again negative. So the product is positive. Okay. Now when 0 less x less 1. So in this range, I can write -1 less than minus x, okay, or in other word I am saying that I don't need to write this actually, so I can say 0 less than 1 minus x, right? 0 less than 1 minus x. If you are multiplying both sides by minus 1, so I can say x minus 1 less than 0. So 0 less x less 1, so this term is positive and this term is x minus 1 is negative, so the product is less than 0. So x square minus x greater than 0 when minus 1 less x less than 0, and this term is less or equal to 0 when 0 less or equals to x less than 1. So in this range it is less than equal to 0, so in this range it is greater than equal to 0. So now let us try to find the integration of this. So integration minus 1 to 1 mod of x square minus x dx. So I can split this integration minus 1 to 0 mod of x square minus x into dx plus integration 0 to 1 mod of x square minus x into dx. Now in this range minus 1 to 1 the value of x is positive, so I can take integration minus 1 to 1 minus 1 to 0 x square minus x into dx plus integration 0 to 1. You can see that in this range this quantity is less than 0, so I will take minus of, we know that x square minus x into dx. Why I take the minus? We know that the value of mod x is greater x when x greater or equal to 0 and minus x when x less or equal to 0, so that's why I took a minus. So it will be integration minus 1 to 0 x square minus x into dx plus integration 0 to 1 minus of x square plus x into dx. So let us find the value of this integration. So it will be x cube by 3 minus x square by 2, range starts from minus 1 ends with 0, and then in minus of x cube by 3 plus x square by 2, and lower limit is 0, upper limit will be 1. So when you put x equal to 0, so this quantity is 0. When you are putting minus 1, so minus of minus, so it will be 1 by 3, right? When you are putting minus, so it is plus, but there is all a minus, so it will be minus of minus half, so it will be half, right? So when you are putting x is equal to 1, so it will be minus 1 by 3 plus half, so cancelling this, so it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1, right? So we have found the value of this integration. This is 1, this is 1, so it will be 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1, so the value of this integration is 0. So the value of this integration is 0, so we have solved it, and you can see 0 is our option A, so option A is our correct option, right students? So we have solved the question number 14. So let's solve the question number 15.